What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video, and today we have these Reimagined white cement 3s that are pretty dirty, and I'm just going to show you guys how to get them looking brand new again. So to start the cleaning off, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'll drop a discount link in the comments using the medium texture brush. I just fill up like half the bowl, pour the solution in, then just go ahead and get the scrubbing in a nice circular motion. Once I've cleaned the entire surface of the shoe, I just take a microfiber cloth and wipe everything dry. Now that I'm done cleaning the uppers, I'm switching from my medium texture brush to a stiff texture brush to clean up the outsole and midsole portions of the sneaker. And before I start scrubbing the outsole, I'm just using an X-Acto knife to go ahead and pick out the crevices. So at this point, the cleaning is finished. I'm just using a cotton round with some acetone to do the light detailing that didn't come out during the cleaning. So little spots on the uppers and down here at the outsole, you guys can see just a little bit of acetone with the cotton round, and it pretty much just clears everything up. Now the process for cleaning the laces is extremely simple. I just use the same solution, add a tiny bit of bleach, put the laces in there to soak overnight. Once they're done soaking, I just squish them together, rinse them out, and they'll be brand new. So at this point, we pretty much have everything complete, and I'm just going ahead and lacing the sneakers back up, and the shoes look pretty much brand new. The only thing that's left really on there is the creases, and I tried to push them out, but they didn't come out as good as I want them to, but it's all right because creases just come back anyways. But you guys let me know how this transformation came out. I think the shoes came out absolutely stupendous. If you want this treatment done to your own sneakers, DM my IG at Restorations. Like, comment, share if you have any questions or concerns. Don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you guys in the next one.